Good afternoon, everyone. You have to forgive me. I was doing the gnocchi video just before, and as I was turning to go to the stove, I dropped the camera and it kind of cut off, so I had to pause the first part. And now I'm going to show you just the second part, which is just basically cooking the gnocchi. So let me turn the camera around, and then, so what I have here, I've just sprayed some polenta. It's coarse polenta, just so it don't stick to the tray. And let me turn around. What I have here is a pot of boiling water and a pot of cold water, and then just a colander or sieve to get them out of the water. So what are you gonna do? It's I'm just gonna put them in this. You see, it doesn't take long at all to cook them. So I'm not gonna do all of them. Just like so. Just give it a stir. And see, I show you. So they've dropped to the bottom, and once they come back to the top, it means they're cooked, and we just fish them out and put them in cold water, and that's it. And then you just drain the gnocchis. You can freeze them, or if you use them, I suggest like pan frying them with a bit of olive oil and butter. Just to give them like crispy outside and that soft center. And you can, whatever sauce you want to make, if you want to make a bolognese or a nice ragu, or if you want to check my page on my website, le-family.com, le-family.com, sorry. There's like suggestion of recipes and different version of ragu if you want. So see, they're starting to come back to the top. So we just want to cook out the flour and cook out the eggs, because the potatoes are already cooked, obviously. There you go, they come back to the top. Strain the water. See, it's really just cool them down. You don't need to leave them in the water for too long. And see, you got that nice square of potato, nice and soft still, but cooked. The flour is cooked out, and then we just pan fry them. If you want to check I post a picture of the finished product on my Insta page. It's le_fermier. If you want to go and check it out, there's a lot of delicious recipes, lots of inspirations. I've been doing some videos with my son as well, so great recipes to do with kids at home while you're stuck. And I hope you guys stay safe out there. If you like my videos, click subscribe. I might turn the camera to do this. If you like the videos, just subscribe or like, and you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you got any questions, just send me a message on Instagram or on YouTube. And if you want me to show you or teach you any recipes, don't hesitate to contact me. And I'll see you guys for another recipe later on. See you. Have a good night.